Henne kasingi ka ar pupratri urempang kador bar Shnong jong Shnong nongrem hil shlong kala lum da jinglang pat ba ka bakrki halor ka jingkno ele persha yaki kendon an jong ne Shnong dagi tra jong ka weg hotel ka badan hakane than katkum ka jing thu jong ki bor penya Shnong jong nongrem hills lakno bagi tra jong ka landmark Victoria Hotel kila yat lat na ka we ne ki kendon Shnong ka bala mana yaki nong Shnong bandril pok Shnong lat satang ki yeng ki badan hagi jaka khap bagi bor badikmi kimla ban penpoi
Kadar Shnong normals mentaka sing hingi haban nilum yang ni jinglang kadi regarding ka jing drill jong ni ka hotel badan hang ni ajan claim da permission jong Shnong par kilasim ka permission directly na po UDC te kani ka jingwan drill jong ki kalong ba kidan ki pung Shnong hang ni ajan but lara ka drill kani ka hotel balong commercial te kata ikini ki pung ki badan ajan but dia ka sos jong ka Shnong do te ngi nakalang ka Darbar Shnong ngi object ya kani ba ya ka jong ka ajing ai promotion jong ka administration but ngi sngo ba ki deman chim confidence ya ka ra jong ka Darbar Shnong do
Kadau hi kabala poisyo ni uput bagi bor penyak Shnong jong Nongrem Hills kila hapan khot da ka dorbar banyikran halo kani kapang kalong hadin bagi lai persya ban khang ya kani jing derul hapo ka phalau jong kani hotel Henry nakaleng UDC ka East Khasi Hills ula persyang ban yurot ya ka ikhtiar jong ka Dorbar Shnong da ka baong ba ka Dorbar Shnong kam don bor halor kani haba bishar pini akani jingkan UDC kawai ka bala bu ha ka jingdom jagi babun kalong bala yo jing tip bawat ka tanat ka bapet ya ki kam sam umru kapi ichi menta kam da penslur su eki beriu bantiril namar kani ka pinter khonglut ya baro ki telong ki badan hapo ki Shnong
pi hakabai dei bakani ka kam kani kelas sedang la kham menchua bat nakaliang jong ka Shnong kala don ka jingrai banginum sha bandril yanu inoru khamtam ki shimet mo ngimya kran ni kata ka jingril na kamata ki nong Shnong baro te henry ngia kran ni ka jingril shimet ken te na du menchua nakaliang jong ka Dorbar Shnong kala perking ya kani but kam sha yanu inoru but kam ai kanu ka permission yanu inoru ti kansan pade haka khat khnai tarik jong ni banai ti nakaliang jong kini ki try jong kani ka landmark hotel kilawan ban drill ya ko haka compound ka jongki klem ka jing kenjok tien ya ka Dorbar Shnong but hadian kata nakaliang jong ka ki dekhot jong Dorbar Shnong kilalej ban pensange henry nakaliang jong kini ki try kimsim sngap ya ka jing kren jong kini ki rangba di hadian kata kilaya request yanga bangan kren yu deputy commissioner tengah layo ban kren yu deputy commissioner but nakaliang jong deputy commissioner wong bait tak basai ba ka Dorbar Shnong kam dan hok ban interfere haka bai dei bagani ka kam namar ba ya kani ka rai la de ban shim nakaliang jong kani ka expert committee kata ka committee special committee bela de constitute kerpang mo nakaliang jong sarkar de henry nakaliang ka jong ipat ilapan sngo ngi ong ba wat lada kalong ha kata ka rukom ru henry lada kamdan pada kata ka consultation dan ka jingnya sngo thu lang mat ka Shnong ka thau kan bu ya baro ha ka jing de basa ka wai pat kalong ba kini ki telong ki badon akan ka jaka ki bon ba mo kini ki springs ki badon akan ka jaka ro ni Nongrem Hills de menta ladang isya ya kan ka drilling hakawi ka jaka katamut kini ki kajing mi kini ki jaka ro kin sedu no nomor ba kini ka hotel ka de for commercial purpose kamde na ka bentaka domestic consumption kan dia nak kalian ngajunga hakatu si hadian mengai kren buat deputy commissioner ngelawan hi daladi ban pensange te ngila pensange ya kan ka jing drill akan ka jaka but mentapat ngila ya Shong da Dorbar Shnong hi ban pensung thu ya ki nok Shnong ha ka bai dei bat ka jing don kam ban ya kren lang ban ya sngu thu jing bun ha ka bai dei begini ka kam khnamba kanu ka rai ka bang hishim ngir ban shim nakaliang jong ngi kumu babun malang ban ngasuko banong hani ba kaladon ru ka PIL bla file nakaliang jong ka welfare society renja kani ka PIL la file mat ladang baklaus nem arajar khandai ban persya ya kani ka jing drill jong ibri cement de hadian kata walada kadang don ka kut ka poru Andre ngiyo jing tip ba nakaliang jong district administration la a jing bit yaki katu kat ni kiyeng ban drill dikata hiru kala longa violation dia hadin kata pat nakaliang jong court kala a ya ruling bari ban form ya special committee di hendrai pada ka jingkeli ka longba ngi kwa ban bo hakabai di bagani ka expert committee hatul LNM ya kata ka groundwater assessment hakani ka jelah ka jongi lani kata ka groundwater assessment ale tang hakikat tu kan ni ki benta Jong kani ka jelah Meghalaya yo le se hang ni ngam tip Hanong Rim Hills ngam tharai kila ale kata ka ground assessment de lada hakani ka committee ladon ki representative na ki department bapir ni kwa ban tip ken hakanu ko kom ki aya kani ka permission ban drill hakani ka jaka namar haki por ki ba menchwaru nakaliang jong ka PHE ladang bakla hu arajar khandai arajar shipo ka PHE kala ai ya ka observation nakaliang jong department ba kam penslur ya ki nongchong Shnong ya ki brio ban drill de kani ka observation nakaliang jong ka PHE de ka pada ka observation nakaliang jong ka expert committee ngi kwa ban bo kita ki jingkeli kan tingi kwa ban ya shai ba ak bai de ni ka kam kanang ba kanum kata pada ya ki imlang salang jongi nomor ba la khamun shwala bun ki long yang ki bla pan permission tin re nakaliang jong ka Shnong kim simpat ai kata ka permission
Habaskap halor kinia balapau Sngau thu shai bahang ni kan ladon gajing tinghu Hapdeng kita ki bor bari khmi bat kumba kalong ni gajing tinghu kalong Hapdeng ki bor penyat district bat ki bor jong dor Shnong hatu ki pat ba yanu kan sngap haba persyang bantuat jengmut nagi tra jong ni hotel kilapan pau ya lagi jong kinia
ngate to be honest nga should follow with ka law whatever the government ki ong yang ban le for arsnam mentangi la ya persyang menyok ni ka borwal. That's because kala syong ram syaba palat banthit menta ka poi shi banai ka poi Henry po nyu po hajar ngimla we can't afford it but tangnam ta ka umru and then we don't really have a connection from PHE te arsna mentangi ya persyang te DC ru la ai ka permission te la ai mentang ya ni la ezang drill te ka Shnong kawan ka ong kam sha ban drill so nek syum no
kani ka hotel kadon ha ka ceka ka ba ha apo ka jurisdiction jong ka terbas non rebels ka ba perlong ye phi pat ba phinom corporate ba Shnong.
No, it's nothing about cooperation because but as per the government rules ngi la ka kot ngi la yo I'm just following the government, you know. If let's just say ka dorbar Shnong ka kham he ban ya ka government thing ngan lit bit so ya ka dorbar Shnong beling am let Andre ula I'm just going to the highest authority which is the government. They as per their approval tikinda if the government were to send ka we ka shiti ba layo approval ya ka dorbar Shnong then they should do it. So I'm not blaming anybody here. Andre porbangi pha le ka drilling thing ila adab ongi to ki breu ba le drilling sale ya tho ka Shnong. So it's nothing about cooperation. I'm cooperating. I'm just following the orders of the paper.
Dekat kum ka argument jong ka dorbar Shnong ki ong ba ki khamdan jing tip khamdan ba pentip sya ka dorbar Shnong halo kani ka jing drill jifi
ngi la ya phone te ki image nga la phone let's not name any names ki la that phone otherwise come on kumno ya tip ki awan te shato so no I'm not pointing fingers at anybody rules are rules we're following rules we just want to make sure that everything suffices because niru kideban perkhatnam tangi I mean after all it's the development of the Shnong only, right? There's a hotel in their Shnong, so there's this particular hospital that I'm in Bethany is also in their Shnong. So things that are coming up developing the Shnong, so we should cooperate with each other, right? This is what economics is all about. So why should we look at only Lamukra and PB developing when we can actually have our own localities to actually start developing, have more things there. So as people, as individuals, we should work together, you know. I mean,
mantan piong ba pimpa hado mata pimpa yo connection PHE kat kum ka claim jong dorbar Shnong ba ki ong dadap an artly ki no objection sha kani ka hotel artly connection na PHE.
And we had one previous pipe in the previous house before the ka guest house. And if you have no, like, I mean, there's 21 rooms. If you done one pipeline, I mean, you think of, let's just say, Kanika Hospital that we are in right now. One PHE pipe to suffice all the patients. Lahi.
Shnong kong pidan artli.
I don't think we have to. Maybe on the separate building, Jong Central Health, fine. But then as per the hotel, I think there's only one.
Kat kum ko finding jong ki Darbar Shnong ki ong bah application mapi po district administration ban apply nam taka permission nam taka ni ban drill piklam mention ye ba pila yo ya ka PHE connection.
Belai. If in the puli kani kala adon hangite. So I mean, kikot ngadon. So if you want to go through all the papers, be my guest, I have no objection whatsoever. And it doesn't matter, you have one pipeline or two pipelines or 10 pipelines, It doesn't matter if there's no water there, If there's a water shortage, there's a water problem. We've had water resources to K1 Thau, they did everything that was needed to do. And if they said no, we wouldn't have gone and drilled, right? It's because Kiong Himaki, you can go and drill, then we've gone and drilled. As if we're above the law, yeah? Nobody's above the law, so we're just following laws.
Kawai ka point ka ba mane por bangilat sto sa site behind your building. Kadang complain na kito ki basong Shnong sto ki ong ba barbor ko to ka septic tank ka leak ba sto po. Kai ka daw ba piklam man kamne repairing.
But this particular septic tank, we've tried to repair it. Basically the particular building, we had an old septic tank, which while we've been trying to repair, it did leak. We made a new temporary septic tank. I mean, if you go Findalit Pet Finlai, there's a temporary connection.
Para basang majan ni ti khamtam lay ka nang ti kawan sa kami ibed tama kadon pa daga jing smakan ti natakadang gi para basang majan nang ni tingi ay complain kan kanang ba kanwan ka jing khu jing suba kanang ba ka jing ko jing khia kanwan hala ka Shnong mo ti kani pa da kalong kumba ay dawai kenyangi ba ka pen wan ta ka jing sama ka ba pendap ya ka kpo
ti hilong kita men hayeng tiga tu tiga kata shibun nama bandami haba ben sai ngirung im yoshu jing khange ben plirung im yok li aba pangat ering im yoshu ni kita italing im expect shu hima man por
persang banyak kan bini try
la bun sing lale ya keren lale la ai to jing tho boro tip ki shuan pe kum tu shuan expect yang min sale shuan pun khu shuan the final kumju man kasi ngile la shu song dak po be sa sani nadu basang ni ka hotel hi ka don ke jisma
pelai jabo nang tina jong ma hatnum ye ha pokali ha e shani lo ka yu thajanyo la salia dan ko bayong be
dan ko ka pol ki lamon banwan kier sa kumni bero tamangi para marjan pa deng ngila ya khang no kan yung kier kumni telong maburi ya ka jabo mo ti ngong bahaba pi pelat kan tina takadaw isawan itu iterai kong Victoria itu ila ya keren lang be lok jonga ti nang ta paden pikam kier su pe yang tu mereka mon kier kumni khanang banda ti mabangi uat be ngi ong basma am ti kimon sukian om tu kan ai
nadu meno kan ni ka jing
ngasong ngilamat mentala alai snabi nadu mas sedang kan ni nrei men suadang dan tangan ka office sempat dan jing smai ai ndu dan ai long kaya be yang gabiang nrei nadu bawan kan ni ka hotel kawan be ka jing sma mentaman ki pual ben.
So see, these are mishaps that can happen more. I mean, in any place, but it's not like ngim kwa ban pinshina. Of course, we don't want anybody to have a hassle ban smak a septic tank and all.
Kibreu mene ki ong ladap complain fi bon sien tamala.
Yeah, ki ladap complain. Yes, but you have to understand also. You have to give us time. No, kibreu katnu pongut ngila ya wanra ban la ban le ne ka septic tank. We actually got the one person from PWD. He came and he made the septic tank. Minta kadang sma se.
Meneng ile kitang don kitang tadi.
Hini kasma. Kasma. Okay, then I'll make sure that I look into it. But they haven't complained recently. I haven't received any trouble for about 8-9 months since the last time we nang shnak in temporary connection. Kato ting iklamya one ongba kazang smabiang or something. So, yeah.
Kawai ka baka dorbar kala lapat halor kani ke jing ajing bet jong ki bor penyat district ya kani hotel bandril hakani ke jaka. Kalong ru hadin bagi tera jong kani ke hotel ha ka duler ke bagi lapan jing bet bandril kim sim lapan pa baka tanat PCE kala depan poi hakani ke jaka hadu arteliki connection. Kabale si kani ke diga da halor ke jing pen kesan ki bor badikmi ban ajing bet bandril ha pelau jong kani ke hotel.
Hai kadang kai halendat jong kani ngi mlam tep tambangi skon nakaliang Shnong baka kadang kai halendat jong kani namar ba nakaliang Shnong iladap ai yaki ke permission bakin ring ya ke but kidan ru ya kata artli ka PHE water connection te hapo ka city ba baki ai sapo kayu baki claim bakim dan ka taka PHE connection kalong kai ba ki try ban mislead ya ka Shnong but ya ka local administration but ngas ko nakaliang jonga hi ka local administration ka dementia action halor ya kini gibre halor ka jing ka ya kini jing la juki
ke senjam nyong Shnong lese nanis khmat lada kum kini kinong Shnong kim cooperate ba Shnong
damar ngi haman pini ba ka double Shnong ka padiam ado mta hi ngi nang don hi tiki traditional laws hi and kidi ki bregu jongi hi ba pin khenyi kini ki an kidi ki local ki bregu ki basa apa kani ka ri ka jungi hi lara kimde ke resistant jo ka double Shnong non remels nde ki should exploit ya ka double Shnong jungi de na kata
kono ka kendon ne ban penstom community yu ka Shnong lese kum ka kuna ne ka fine ne
ngi legally pa gina perkara kata legally ngimdan ka kono ka legal standing ba ngila man fine la ne penstom yuki tama kadi jing su thu la ki bre khasi jungi ba kumkini ki an kimde man kin suya lan na dorbar Shnong but ngi na kaliang ka Shnong ngi haman pene ban pini ban thu iki ba ka jingle ka jungki ka long ko bam sutunan ya Shnong
kai ka rai jong ka ni jelam tasni
ka rai jong ni jingalang ka long hado bungin chu ai ka city ka police po deputy commissioner but lada kampoi si hap na kaliang ka local administration lada kimsim action tingi habal sakaan
Hadin balas ngap ya baro arliang mamla manu badai bat manu balat hangni nang sitom ban snguthu tangka por hi kan batai Henry nakaliang ka dorbar Shnong jokonong Rim Hills hakani gasngi kila rai ban pha ra ka jing tho shu DC ka East Hills district ban pen pau ya ka jing persha halor kani bat ya kani ka jing tho la soi pat baru da baro ki blawane shimata hakani gasngi ha ka dor